Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Brake blocks. How could I forget? With all the less than subtle
Ini bukan mimpi.
Alive for my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Yes!
Yeah! There! Bring him down, Roy!
All right.
Up and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man! Now I've got dirt!
Mater, let's go. You're on.
Bye. Have a wonderful day, School B. Hi, Cap.
So,
I can't believe you're here.
Is that the world's fastest racing machine?
Is that hard?
Blinkers on! What? No, it's not. Hey! Your blinkers on!
Good comeback, Cap.
unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Mike and McQueen. Francesco understands.
Oh, great. Here it comes. What do you got, Francesco? I'm gonna make you scream!
All you need is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree.
Listen to me, big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse. I mean, come on, it's a fossil fuel.
Gloeiende bol van fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaait in ons dorp.
And a lot of them. You know what to do, just like we rehearsed. It's the I hereby dub thee so.
Que sea, yo estoy listo.
No lo olvides, tus frenos.
So he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I...
Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement.
He's been Dynaco's golden boy for years. Just me and the old man, fellas.
McQueen just doesn't have it today.
Bonita música.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Right here. Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very...
No, you are not winning.
I'm angry.
I am not angry.
Sure made Dynaco proud. Thank you, Kenny.
Caltech, you've been good to me all these years.
Hey, was that floating like a Cadillac? Or was that still?
Yes, son.
What? Did he go somewhere?
It's good to be home, everybody.